Join me as I take on the challenge of maintaining a healthy lifestyle for 30 days straight and see if I can actually stick to it. In this video, you'll learn practical strategies for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and sticking to it long term. We'll explore actionable tips that fit into your daily routine. Many people struggle to stick to healthy habits due to lack of motivation, unrealistic goals, or overwhelming choices. Have you ever set out to make a drastic change, only to find yourself reverting back to old habits within a week or two? You're not alone. One of the biggest challenges we face is the inability to sustain our enthusiasm for healthy living. We often start strong, but our motivation dwindles as time goes on. Another major hurdle is setting unrealistic goals. We try to overhaul our entire lifestyle at once, which can be overwhelming and lead to burnout. And finally, we're often bombarded with conflicting information and advice, leaving us feeling confused and unsure of where to start. The good news is that you don't have to be held back by these common obstacles. With the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome them and make lasting changes to your lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to maintain a healthy lifestyle and make it a sustainable part of your daily routine. One reason we struggle to stick to healthy habits is because we focus too much on the end goal rather than the process. We want to lose weight, build muscle, or feel more energetic, but we don't focus on the daily actions that will get us there. Instead of focusing on the destination, we need to focus on the journey. In order to make lasting changes, we need to understand what's holding us back and how to overcome those challenges. By acknowledging the obstacles that stand in our way, we can begin to build a healthy lifestyle that's tailored to our unique needs and goals. Balanced nutrition is a crucial element of a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet provides our bodies with the fuel they need to function properly. But what does a balanced diet look like? It's not about cutting out entire food groups or following a restrictive diet. Rather, it's about making conscious choices that nourish our bodies. Regular exercise is another key aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Exercise not only improves our physical health, but it also boosts our mood and reduces stress. But how can we make exercise a sustainable part of our daily routine? The key is to find activities that we enjoy and that fit into our lifestyle. Mental well-being is often overlooked, but it's a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. Taking care of our mental health is essential for our overall well-being. But how can we prioritize our mental health when we're already feeling overwhelmed? By taking small steps each day, we can improve our mental well-being and increase our resilience. The turning point in your journey towards a healthy lifestyle comes with the realization that consistency is more important than perfection. We often put too much pressure on ourselves to be perfect, but the truth is that nobody is perfect. What's more important is making small, consistent changes that add up over time. By focusing on progress rather than perfection, we can make lasting changes to our lifestyle. Small changes can lead to lasting results. It's not about making drastic changes, but about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. By focusing on the small wins, we can build momentum and make progress towards our goals. Consistency is key when it comes to making lasting changes. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every day and making healthy choices. By making healthy habits a non-negotiable part of our daily routine, we can create a lifestyle that's sustainable and enjoyable. What holds many of us back from making lasting changes is the fear of failure. We're afraid to start because we don't want to fail. But the truth is that failure is an essential part of the journey. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. By embracing failure, we can make progress towards our goals. To summarize, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is about making realistic changes, staying consistent, and adjusting your mindset. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos on fitness tips and healthy recipes. Don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite healthy habit.